Why do we get hiccups? Know the causes, triggers, and when to see a doctor. Expert insights from Dr. Surakshit T.K., Fortis Escorts, Okhla. Hiccups are one of those everyday quirks of the human body. They are harmless in most cases, yet endlessly frustrating when they strike. Almost everyone experiences them, but few pause to ask what exactly causes the familiar hic sound. Recently, we reached out to Dr. Surakshit T.K., Senior Consultant Gastroenterology Hepatology, Fortis Escorts, Okhla, and he shared his inputs on the subject. Simply put, a hiccup occurs when the diaphragm, a large muscle separating the chest and abdomen, contracts involuntarily in a sudden spasm. This contraction triggers a quick intake of breath that is abruptly cut short by the closing of the vocal cords, producing the characteristic sound we all recognize, shared Dr. Surakshit T.K. Also read tired of the hiccups? Here are 3 effective ways to get rid of them. Hiccups can stem from something as simple as how we eat and drink, or from deeper medical issues. Eating too quickly, overeating, or indulging in spicy foods can irritate the diaphragm. Similarly, fizzy drinks often expand the stomach and put pressure on the diaphragm, triggering hiccups. Going from hot tea to chilled water in seconds can stimulate the nerves linked to the diaphragm, resulting in spasms. Strong emotions such as anxiety, stress, or even sudden excitement can overstimulate the nervous system, causing irregular diaphragm contractions. While most hiccups are harmless, persistent or prolonged hiccups can signal underlying problems. Gastrointestinal disorders, nerve injury, or conditions like stroke, encephalitis, or meningitis have all been linked to chronic hiccups. Excessive drinking irritates the stomach lining, leading to inflammation and pressure on the diaphragm. This is a frequent trigger for hiccups. Also read exclusive. Swami Ramdev shares effective tips to treat repeated hiccups. Most hiccups disappear within minutes without any need for treatment. However, if hiccups persist for hours or days, they may point to a more serious medical condition. In such cases, consulting a gastroenterologist or relevant specialist is essential for proper diagnosis and management. Though hiccups are usually just a temporary annoyance, they reflect the delicate balance between the nervous system, muscles, and breathing. Most of the time, they are nothing more than a fleeting disruption. But persistent hiccups should never be ignored, as they can be a red flag for more serious health concerns. When in doubt, expert medical advice ensures peace of mind. And Tim.